Today I'm going to show you a small haul. I've already tried these products out, so I want to go ahead and tell you what I think of them. I've already done a look with them. I was just so excited to try them, so I went ahead and done it. So if you want to find out what these are, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I had to go to the dollar store. It's Dollar General. I went to see if they had the Profusion makeup out yet for the holidays, because every year Profusion always puts palettes, contour palettes, eyeshadow palettes, everything in Dollar General. They didn't have those out yet, but I did notice a couple of new products that they had, which really surprised me. One of them really surprised me. So I did already do my makeup look, but I did want to get on here and show you guys what I got and tell you what I think of it. Now the first thing that I got, this is Broadway Colors. I have tried their products before, and they have got some really good stuff, and then they've got some really shitty stuff. But this was amazing, let me tell you. This looks like the, I think they're Artis, something. I'll put it right here. The brushes, the high dollar brushes that they got out. Well, this is kind of like a dupe for them. And believe it or not, I really like this brush. This blended out my foundation better than any brush that I've ever had before. I wanted to bring another brush in here and show it to you. I got this at Rue 21 years ago, and I used to use this brush all the time. I loved it. It blended out really well, but this one does a lot better, and then it ended up falling apart like it does that. So I've been forced not to use it, and I hate that, but I still keep it so I don't throw it away. Like I said, I don't throw nothing away. This one actually done a lot better than I remember that one doing. It gives you a more airbrush look. There's no streaks. There's no nothing. It blends it out perfectly. And this brush, I think this brush was $3. Now they did have one that was a little bit smaller than this, I'm assuming for concealer, and I should have got that. I just wanted to test out the brush. I didn't know if they'd be any good, so I did just get one. I did get the face brush, and this is called a large oval brush. That's just what it is, and on the back it just kind of shows you how to do it. Now there are a couple of things I did not like about this brush. First of all, the glue on the back of the head right here where it was in the package just would not come off. It was spread out everywhere, so I did put some tape on top of it just to keep it from being so sticky and me having to touch it, because it wouldn't come off with nothing. The handle is, it's really light, really light. I'm not going to say cheap because it is a really good brush, but it is cheap. It really is cheap. But that is the only things I would change about this brush. Other than that, I think it worked beautifully. Now, the next thing that I got was one of these little LA Colors matte palettes. Now, they've had these for years and years and years, but I get one every year because they're only $1.50 a piece. So every year when I go, it seems like they are different shades, but the palette is still named the same. Like this is the palette Blue Denim. They had Blue Denim last month, but they weren't like these bright, vivid blues. They were like dark navy blues. So I don't understand why they keep changing the colors of them, and it makes me buy them every year. But they keep the same name. I don't understand it. There are two gray shades in here that didn't really do it for me. They didn't show up. They weren't quite pigmented enough. Now, the two blues done all right. The black is a little bit lighter black, so it makes it look like a more smoky look. And like I said, I've done this look today with everything here. But the two blues in there, I really did enjoy using. And the last thing was one of these little Wet n Wild palettes, these little 4 quad palettes. I absolutely love these things. And again, they have changed the packaging on this. I don't know why, but the packaging on this is a lot cheaper than the ones that they used to put out. I don't know why they've done that. And down here, there used to be a little brush, which I'd always toss it, just like I toss the one in the LA Colors one. But still, it's just a lot cheaper and flimsier than I remember it ever being. Now, I got the quad petalette, or something like that. And again, you know, Wet n Wild is infamous for putting the directions on the back and showing you what shades go where, and also on the shades itself, like this says transition, eyelid, brow bone, and crease. So they are very infamous for, in these little quads, writing these, and even the 8 color quads that they got. They did have other ones, but they look more naturals and neutral palettes. So I've already got so many of those shades at home, but I did like this one because of the rose shades and the purples and the violets and everything. It just looks so fall to me, or winter. I could do a winter look with this anytime too. Now this palette, the formula of these are perfection. I absolutely loved them. They are very nicely pigmented. They blend out like they're supposed to. Now about wear time, I don't know because I just got done about an hour ago, but so far they are holding up. So I really do enjoy that. Guys, I'll show you close-ups of the look that I've done today, and I'll show you swatches and pictures pulled up of those also. So guys, I wanted to come on here and show you that quick haul real quick. And if you notice me in the same sweater, same makeup and everything as another video, it's because I'm filming two today. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.